I'm going to show you how to fix 0xc004f025 error in Windows. Go to Start and type regedit and run it as administrator. Now click here to expand HKey local machine. Then expand software. Now expand Microsoft. From the list, search for Windows NT. Now expand it. Then expand current version. Then search for software protection platform. Select it. On the right side, open properties for skip rearm. Set value data as 1. Then click on OK and close all windows. Now to the next step, go to Start and type CMD. Right click on it and run as administrator. Now type this command slmgr-rearm. Hit enter. It will take some time to complete the process. I am moving to the last step, but you must have to do this step. Closing it. Go to File Explorer. Open C drive. Then open Windows folder. Now search System folder and open it. Then find slmgr.vbs file. Change its name as to slmgr only and save it. That's it guys. Restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.